Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are a regular, then thank you so much for coming back. So this is going to be me testing out the Glowstick from Lush and also the Slapstick as well. So the Slapstick is the foundation and the Glowstick is the highlighter. I've used my Slapstick already. I'm gonna get this confused and Slapsticks and Glowstick, but I've used my Slapsticks already. It's a bit messy, excuse the mess, but this is what it looks like. I've used it twice I think before, so this is my third time using it. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and my shade is 29N. So I haven't got the package for the Glowstick, but this is what the Glowstick looks like. Bit messy again. I didn't buy these. Basically, I work for Lush, if you don't know, and a few of the employees were given the opportunity to go to London and be a part of their makeup talent pool, which basically is helping to make Lush makeup better. So I've been doing that since July, where I've been going up to London and like testing out the makeup and giving feedback and stuff with some other Lush employees as well. And so yeah, they gave us these so for us to like, you know, get used to them and try them out and stuff. And of course, if you don't know already, this month is the Lush showcase, so I'll be attending and I'm going to be a makeup artist there. Now if you know me, you know that I'm just a makeup enthusiast and I'm not a makeup artist, but yeah, so they've seen my looks that I have done and they'd like me to help out and show the customers that will be coming to the showcase the new makeup, in particular the glow sticks and the slapstick. And so yes, so before I start, I think it's good to give you some facts about them. The makeup is vegan. It is 100% vegan and it is plastic free, so there is no plastic at all on their products, which is great, so no harm to the oceans when they are disposed of. So the slapsticks, they retail at £16.95. That's the current price for them, and the glow sticks, they retail at £11.95, so a pretty decent price for what you're getting, because of course there's no plastic, so you're getting every little bit of your product in both of these. So the slapsticks contain 45% extra virgin coconut oil sourced from Indonesia, and is 14% pigment, and it's got jojoba oil in there, and it's got argan oil and rose wax. So all these ingredients are really softening, soothing, moisturizing, conditioning to the skin. So when you take it off, your skin will be not only feeling better, but it would look a lot better as well. And the glow sticks have, again, the extra virgin coconut oil in there, and it's got the argan oil from Morocco as well. So that's pretty cool that you basically have naturally sourced ingredients, and the ingredients in there are doing amazing things to your skin as well. Oh, I must also point out that this video is not sponsored at all. I'm just doing this because I wanted to do it, and I think it'd be quite cool to show you guys some plastic free and cruelty free makeup. Without further ado, I've been talking a lot and you guys have been looking at my bare face for long enough. I'm going to start with the slapsticks. I haven't got any makeup on apart from brows, concealer, and I've got lashes on. My face is completely bare. I've got primer on my face. So you can apply the slapsticks whichever way you prefer. You can apply it with your sponge, you can apply it with your like beauty blender, you can apply it with your brush. So whatever way you want to apply it, you can. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on my face, put it all over my face, and I'm going to apply one half with a brush and one half with a beauty blender that's been wet with some aroma water from Lush as well. So this is what it looks like when you apply it to your skin. It is my shade. I know it doesn't look like my shade, but it is my shade. It will oxidize, I hope, eventually. When I've worn it before, it has blended in pretty well, and people didn't even know that I had foundation on. They thought it was my skin, which is pretty cool that it resembles or mimics your skin. It doesn't look like you're wearing any makeup, which is always a plus. And it's very, very buildable as well. I'd say medium to full coverage, because depending on how you're feeling, you can put as much on or as little on. But yeah, I think that's enough. For first side, I'm going to use with just my my Morphe brush. I don't think I've ever tried it with tried putting it on with a brush before, so this is my first time. As you can see, it just looks so much like skin, doesn't it? I think it's so cool that you can get makeup that, you know, hasn't been tested on animals. And I'm going to try the next side now with my beauty blender, and I'm just going to wet it with my aroma water. Next side I'm going to do it with my beauty blender. And see what option I prefer. Whether I prefer a beauty blender or my brush. Right, so that's what my face looks like. This side is with the brush, don't know if you could tell the difference, and this side is with the beauty blender. For me, with the beauty blender on this side, I can still see quite a few of my hyperpigmentations coming through. Like it has been blended out, but I can still see my hyperpigmentations on this side. This side, I feel like it has a lot better coverage using my brush rather than the beauty blender. Just gonna go in again with another couple of layers on both sides, just so you can see what two layers of the foundation looks like, and to show you as well that it is buildable. For me personally, when using the slapsticks, I'm gonna definitely stick to using a brush, because I feel like the brush gives me the coverage that I want, whereas the beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, it covers but does not cover enough. I'll try and bring you guys in a little bit so you could see what I mean. So you can still make out, I don't know if the camera's picking it up very well, but you can make out a couple of my dark hyperpigmentations on this side, whereas on this side I feel like I've got the coverage that I need. Yeah, can you see? I'm gonna go in now with the glow stick. So I'm gonna do a quick swatch of it on my hand just to see what the consistency of it is like. This is what this highlighter looks like on my skin tone. People have said that when they have used the glow sticks, it kind of lifts their foundation, or lifts the slapsticks that they've put on already. So I'm gonna try to apply it again in two different ways. Sticking to the side with the sponge, I'm going to again get my sponge damp. So I think damp sponges are the best. Let's get it damp. And then I'm just going to tap my highlighter on the sponge that is wet. To be honest, nothing much is coming off, so I'm intrigued to see what it's going to look like on me. So that's it tapped on, and now for the test, let's see what it looks like on my skin. So this is my first time using the glow sticks. I'm just going to do it like this, tap it. Right, there we go. Can you see a bit of the glow? Can you see that glow? So this is with the side of where I've just tapped it on with my beauty blender, and then on the other side I'm gonna try actually applying it straight from the glow stick to my face and seeing what if it does lift my makeup. I'm doing it quite lightly because I'm very aware of the fact it might lift my makeup. You guys can probably see it a lot better actually. Can you see that? So and then I'm just gonna use my fingers just to pat that in. So that's the side with the beauty blender and a bit of patting. And then this is the side with the just applying it straight onto my face. I don't know if you guys can tell or see a difference at all, but it's definitely, for me, it has worked a lot better just applying it straight on to my face. I feel like this side just looks a little bit too messy with the sponge, whereas this side it's a bit more targeted and it just looks a lot just give me the highlight that I want, basically. Right guys, so time for my verdict. I definitely feel like the brush is a better applicator, and I feel like putting this glow stick straight onto your face and just patting it in with your finger give you the best payoff and the best look. If you're wanting something that's a bit more lighter coverage, I guess, then using your beauty blender is probably better for you anyway, because yeah, it's still light and I still feel like it looks like skin. I don't think it looks like I've got foundation on. I don't feel like I've caked a lot on. I put 2 layers on, but I feel like this side looks, yeah, definitely you can see there's still little dark marks on my face, whereas this side I feel like it's all kind of hidden, which is what I want to do. I want to deceive people. No, I'm joking, but you know what I mean. I kind of want to look and feel confident, and I feel like the brush applicator is a lot better than the sponge applicator. So I'm going to take a couple pictures now and post it on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me so you can see the picture and to see what it looks like. I'll also take a picture in natural lighting as well, so you can see what that looks like on my face, because obviously I've got my lighting up. That is the end of this video, guys. I really hope you found this video useful, helpful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section letting me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.